Many organizations are currently struggling to communicate internally. Making sure that everyone is informed and kept up to date with important company information is a difficult task. Communication channels such as email are often ineffective and can even be ignored. Your internal communications message needs to be engaging and effective. That's why at LightSign Digital we have developed our internal communications service. Utilizing the power of our display systems, you can create fully customizable digital messages. Display HD video and images, make announcements, live company data, stock reports, even news and weather feeds. Reception screens can be used to welcome clients and to display company information. Whatever your requirements, our robust software gives you control. LightSign Digital provide a complete package for internal communication solutions that is tailor-made for your business. And it is then supported by us on-site, online and on the phone. By using our screen networks, you can deliver effective and engaging internal communications campaigns. Call us today to discuss how our screens, services and software can be integrated into your internal communications offering.